Always Shawnee, always Shawnee.
Class of 1983.
75.
I came here in 79 and graduated in 83. So it needed a lot of upgrading then. A lot of memories, but there is a lot of upgrading, and it really looks better than what it was when I first came here.
It's a big difference. It's a big change. They've done a lot of work with it. I'm very impressed. I was really impressed with the library because when we was here, the library was kind of small and dark, and now it's just really spacious, brighter.
I'm glad everything is trying to stay pretty well to its original form, but doing a little bit of upgrading.
I haven't been here in years, so this is refreshing. The memories here, man, are incredible. Running around this big school, it's on the swim team.
It's a big difference. I mean, I'm looking at them and I'm looking at the dark halls and the old wiring and stuff, and I was like, wow, it's modern technology. It's all up to date now, so it makes it even better.
Overall, it's a great investment. Putting money into the community. So yeah, it's a good thing. It's always pride. Shawnee is always pride. If you're an alumni, it's always pride.